a landslide. Them say, why never come and labor right? I say, I couldn't come and labor right. Guess why I couldn't come and labor right? Tell them.
Me coulda never green that.
Respect. Respect. We know chow chow. I want to say a special good night to the leader of the party first of all. I'm going to big him up for the effort when I put in. When I put in some real effort. And sometimes you find some elder, them not build champion, them kill champion. Them man come in and them a build champion. I give them my props and I shoot my forward. And they must say, go through you and do your thing. And when you wrong, him comes and correct you and guide you. I'm rate that. And I have to say, give him a big up for that. And when I run for vice president, I didn't tell them, you know. So right now, the way the country are running, it need a hero. And since Peter Phillips a Batman, then Damion Crawford a Robin, you have to understand, right? And it come to pass. So Batman and Robin come to deliver East Portland. That's so it is. Then I run, former member of parliament. I'm going to tell you some people. None of we can do everything we want to do. Not even for our family. Not even for our children. But you do as much as you can do. And so when them man do what them can do and give you the button, we have to run as fast as we can with it. I'm going to tell you, I'm glad so to stick with PMP. When you stick with PMP and show a partner with Sam Lawrence. When you show a partner with Father Rod. When you show a partner with Junior Rod. When you show a partner with Broomfield. So that's why PMP send me now as a partner job. You have to understand. Collection time. Collection time. And them I use everything against me. Them have media use against me. Them have pollster use against me. Them have police I use against me. Them have money I use against me. But is it today when time I see this motorcade? I hear the sound of Rastaman. There's a difference between the politics of dependence and the politics of independence. In the politics of dependence, they want this one family, this one bedroom, this one husband and wife to decide who eats and who hungry. They want one bedroom to decide who for roof fix and who for roof leak. One person to decide who very good and who have to go in a board box. They want a system that if they don't like you, you cannot survive. Because they tell who for picnic get book and who for picnic don't get book. That is the politics of dependence. I am preaching the politics of independence. Because a man's supposed to eat because he's hungry, not because I like him. And you have to buy medicine because you're sick, not because I boss you. I must use my links and my knowledge and my power to make you improve yourself. That is why Bob Marley said, emancipate your own self from mental slavery. None but ourselves. That means that I can't free your mind. That means that Peter Phillips can't free your mind. You have to free your own mind. And that is why you have to meditate upon comfort versus freedom. Because before this, all really people come and politicians come and promise you comfort. But they don't give you a knowledge of freedom. Comfort no must come with freedom, you know. But freedom must come with comfort. So when a man say, I'm going to fix your road, that is comfort. When a man say, I'm going to fix your water, that is comfort. But when a man say, I'm going to make your picnic better than you, that is freedom. And if your picnic are better than you and you're not on the road, then you must have road. And if your picnic are better than you and you're not on water, then you must have water. But if your picnic are better than you, his mindset and your mindset must change. You see, if you're a big free person, you have to willing to lose for something. I am willing to lose when me believe in it. So I now come telling you no baga. Me I come telling you say me I fight for your country that I'm comfortable with. That if a man a wash a boat, he must can dream. Say his son own a boat. And if a woman a clean a villa, she must can dream. Say her daughter own a villa. And so we have to change our mindset. Every Christmas the poor say what them are going to buy. And the rich say what them are going to sell. We have a mindset where we are give them $1,000 and get back $100 change. I wonder how them rich and we poor. Well, if you give them 1,000 and get back 100. You know, most poor and them the most rich. But they don't want me telling you these things. They don't want me telling you these things because they need a helper. They don't want me telling you these things because they need somebody to be in the dark. They need somebody to be a security guard. But me I remind you, say when you see a security guard with a dog, the dog eat 2 times and the guard eat once. That means that the guard I get better treatment. The dog I get better treatment than the guard. And that is because from donkey said the world in a level. You never ask yourself why granny said donkey, why she not say cow? Why she not say goat? Why them not say dog say word in a level? Them say donkey because donkey is the duncest thing. So if the duncest thing knows that the world in a level, then everybody else should know that the world in a level. Me I give you an example how the world don't level. This lady that is running against me, she have an advertisement on TV that said that I am a trickster. It said that I am disrespectful. It says that I am selfish. And the one time I said she's not smart, everybody start cuss I. So how she can send me a trickster in a paid advertisement? And that is a lie. How she can send me disrespectful in a paid advertisement? And that is a lie. How she can say that I'm selfish in a paid advertisement? And that is a lie. But I cannot tell the truth. How come? How come they can tell people? Because my problem, you know, is that I don't tell you to do what I won't do. You have some people when things are certain things below them but it above you. So them say go and say that for me. But I won't say that because I'm too big for that. So them tell the people, if you all call me gay, me don't know how gay reach for my name. Because no guy can put him on in a mind that. So me don't know. family in politics. My family is separate from politics. Just like how me no use people, me no use my family. Like how me no use Uno and say go cuss her for me cuss her myself. Because what you can say is not below or beneath me. So them have people here I call me fish. Them say me a doctor fish. Them say me a snapper fish. Them say me all kind of all marlin. They go up on stage and call me crawfish, it don't come on the news. They go up on stage and call me goat man. But goat is G-O-A-T, the greatest of all times. Entire PNP don't like woman. Nobody knows that. Darrell Vaz go up on stage and say he is going to get rid of me for good. If my mind is corrupt, if my heart is dirty, me that say I kill him won't kill me. And if it go up on the radar the right way, it will sound like a Jew. But Jew, my mind not corrupt. Me know that wasn't the context of his conversation. Him saying I get rid of me out of politics, not out of the world. But if a man fit twist it, it can sound away. So when I say that this lady is going to be Mrs. Vaz, it is because she claimed she are going to be Mrs. Portland. And me say you can't be no Mrs. Portland because the competition no whole. You can't be Mrs. Portland because you don't look like Portland people. How is she going to be Mrs. Portland? And she there 16 years. And for 15 years, we not get no birthday party. She a one. So when them talk about trick, who is tricking? Because I come here and does a par. They come here and I take clothes off a line when them have washing machine and dryer. And 3 helper. Or trick. Or trick when all of them birthday party was at Sansan private. And them all of a sudden fall full. Folly, them are folly. Them they are 16 years. Did they give you any roads out of them pocket? All of a sudden, their personal money start to a mile per road. Rainfall what they are, wash away every mile to West Portland. That we should expect. But you them buy some media guy who twist up my words, who decide say if I win the seat I must lose my credibility. Them start to say that I am racist. Them start to say I am sexist. I never answer because the first time I hear it they thought that the lady said I was sexy. Some say, well, the girls are all saying that down here. Yeah. So them try now to diminish our vibes, our energy, our level of enthusiasm by saying right to go win. Let me tell you something. On the 11th of March, I called Solid Waste. I said, send down some garbage truck or they will be blown away. By the time the 25th of March, I called NWA. I said, send a tractor, it will be a landslide. Tonight, I'm saying, send a boat, it is a tsunami. In the real thing now. Because when I start teaching it, you know, this is a devotion. You know when you go to school, you get devotion first. And then you have to go to class. Let me tell you something. You have 3 types of freedom. The first freedom is the freedom to dream. That is God-given. Anything that God gives cannot be taken away from him. That's why the slave can dream that he's free. That's why the man who wash a boat can dream same son who own a boat. That's why you can dream like my father that you're floating on $1,000 bill. The freedom to dream is God-given. The second freedom is the freedom to be. You see, if a man in a jail, he is not free to be. You see, if a man is a slave, he is not free to be. That is God desired. When God desire, people can take away. That's why it's called a sin. So a man can break you be a slave, or a person can arrest you and put in a jail. But you are not free to be. You see, the third freedom is the most important freedom. That's the freedom to achieve. And that freedom is God-pleasing. So when me meditate upon these things, me have my locks through my father head of a tree. But me are telling them he's a Jesus man still. And me are telling them now that all you see them are persecute me. All you see that them are backchat me. The Bible says when they persecute you, be happy because you are a prophet. And not only am I a prophet, I'm a promise and a possibility. So when I say freedom, I come here now to tell you that you can be whatever you want to be. I come here to tell all the youths when I sit on the truck and run up and down behind me. What listeners can't work under my regime. I am telling you that once you can walk and talk, you can learn. Nobody never born a walk. You learn to walk. Nobody never born a talk. You learn to talk. So how come you were bright as a baby but you dance as an adult? Tell me how you dance at 19 but you were bright at 9 months. They don't want to hear these messages. Because when I come here and say, every Tuesday and Thursday, those who don't get the subjects that they want, those who get a little pregnant before school, those who drop out because they've never learned certain things, we will have night school for all the adults so that you can start with one subject a year. And that subject, the first subject, is principles of business. So you can turn your hustle into a business. So you can say, yo, I know about pricing. I know about inventory. I know about marketing. So you can turn your shopping into wholesale. So you can turn your bar into a bigger bar. So you can turn your talent into a money-making activity. So you can turn your hairdresser chair into a hairdresser shop. So you can turn your land into a farm. So you can turn your cube into a full business. So you can understand these things. Because when I look over the whole Jamaica, those who rich own something, and those who work for someone broke. The reality of life is that HR, human resource principles, say if somebody work for you, you must pay them 1 and they must give you 7. May I cut it down to 6. If you run a taxi for a man, 6 days, you have to give him 5. And then 1 of yours. So if you are looking at all the drive when you are drive, you only get 1 day out of 6. So you must say to yourself, 1 day I want my own taxi. What is wrong with that? But they don't want you to forget that. They want you to continue drive them friend taxi. They want you to continue clean them bridging bathroom. I am coming to you to say to you that look at the JLP campaign is to pay some youth to sit down on the corner with rum and boom, smoke ganja, and wait for a delivery of a soup pot. I am telling you people, I am here to take you from a street side greeting to a business meeting, and they are resisting that. Why them are resistant? I tell you, say, yo, Jamaica import 1.2 billion. That is $1,200 million worth of gold. 1,200 and we can make $1 million each. So me I tell you, if you don't know one bust me have a reach off a gold by myself. You know. You can come with me, but if you don't know how come with me, I can't let you know. One regular Jamaica goat ram is for 40 grand. One pure bed Nubian is for 80 grand. One boar is for 100 grand. Why would you not want a business that every time you have a baby for 2 youth is a 200 grand? But they want you to come to the office, the MP office, and wait till them don't use them WhatsApp. Wait till them don't talk to them friends. And then them give you a book voucher for $2,000 and say that, okay, I did something for you. When you just come the first time, you know, I will give you a voucher, that's a start. But if you come back for your start, your fast start, you disqualify. You get a voucher and a coat. You go raise your local coat. And then you are fine. So you have an artist named Chichinchi. I am going to follow Chichinchi. Because when you have a goat, you have a rope, and I'm going to teach you how to rope. I said to them, we are consuming, eating. I have to use some little word because some of the other people won't know how to answer because they don't know some word. We are eating 40,000 chicken a week. If you eat 4 times a week, you eat chicken. Most times you have a leg and a thigh, which is a quarter. Or a breast and a wing, which is a quarter. So if you eat chicken 4 times for the week, you eat a whole of chicken, you alone. So East Portland, I eat 40,000 chicken coming from Best Dress and CB. I say we want to say why we can't sell the supermarket chicken. Because we have 1 cub and it's only available every 6 weeks. So the man can't depend on you every 6 weeks. So we say we have to get some youth and put in our crew. Not a gang, but a crew. And that crew will be called the Success Crews. And every 8 youth, they will get 1 set of chicken that should be ready a different week. So you carry two we under one brand called Portland Poultry, and we start to sell it to the supermarkets. What is wrong with that? What is wrong? But because they have money, they think they don't need to have a plan. Because they have money, they think they don't need to interact. But I'm saying to you that it is better to own something than to have nothing. My father died when me was 15. And him have cancer. Him lay down on the bed. The day when him got dead. Me never know him got dead, but him call me. Him call me youth man. Him say, youth man, I don't have nothing to leave you but advice. As me turn big man, the man must have pray in my mind. So I wish me have more if you left my son. You can't leave your work, give your picnic. You only can leave your business. Left your shop, make him turn it in a wholesale. Left your land, make him turn it in a farm. Left a chair, make she turn it into a hairdressing parlor. Start something. That is freedom. Freedom is the ability to choose. If I don't want to go my farm one day, I don't go. But if you don't want to go work one day, them run you. Them don't want to know these things. Everybody can have a business, you know. But everybody should want have a business. So me say, we want 1 degree at least in every household in East Portland. 1 degree. I can tell you that them say beautiful speaking don't put food on your table. That is true. But beautiful speaking can inspire you to put food on your own table. It can inspire you because enough great men were known for beautiful speaking. Martin Luther King is known for a speech, I have a dream. But let me tell you something else. You see water in your pipe, it comes with a bill. You see light in your house, it comes with a bill. You see food on your table, it comes with a bill. So beautiful looking cannot put food on your table. Beautiful looking cannot put water in your pipe. Beautiful looking cannot put light in your house. Beautiful looking cannot put steering wheel in your hands. It is education that do that. Education. So we want 1 degree per household. So we say we are going to start with literacy. Because some picnic can't read. If you can't read, you can't go to university. Understand, there is no place for the hustler anymore. Who used to look for mixed cement? That's a premix truck. Who used to look for wash clothes? That's a washing machine. Who used to look for chop bush? That's a weed whacker. Brain power is now the main power. So we are saying that those who can read, we are going to volunteer upon a Sunday and take those who cannot read and make sure that they can read. What is wrong with that? But what they should rave about, them are made about. We said that this exam to get into high school named PEP, Me never say some candidate can't pass it, but me no want to set up to me, so me not say it. Me no say it, you know. And me not say which one, you know. Because general election soon come. But I hear them say me talk about the other candidate. When she said degrees are not important, who is she talking about? It can't be Darrell Vaz, because he don't have none neither. I said to you, them can't say what they want upon nationwide. Nationwide not pick up down here. But I said to you that we are going to have Saturday classes, and because we have enough Sabbath people, we are going to have Sunday classes, and we are going to teach both the mother and the child, so that when we not have no class, the mother can help the child. That is called mommy and me. What is wrong with that? Darrell Vaz. Because I am running against a wolf, and a wolf that is going on like a sheep. But Darrell Vaz, him keep a big stage show. He go on the stage, take out money out of his pocket, and he say, you see this, and me keep this, and me have change. And everybody cheer when them broke. Him never one day said, this is how me make the money. Huh? Him not show no overreach. Him want to come and depend on him for entertainment. That he will realize. I say, I am putting down $5 million. And the first person in any family that get into university, they will get a scholarship. What is wrong with that? JLP family, them get scholarship. If it's a PMP family, them get scholarship. As long as it's an East Portland family, the first to get through will get a scholarship. The other candidate, she claimed she's not here for JLP. She's not here for PMP. She says she's not here for no P. But she then say she's here for the people. People starts with P. So the 5 million, what they want to put in a rum bar, the 5 million, what they want to put in a chicken foot soup, the 5 million, what they want to put in a peer people for sit down pancana. I say that I am going to put it for the first in each family. And if it's 100 of them, each get 50,000. If a 10 of them, each get 500,000. If a one of them, that one get 1 million times 5 million. Because unlike some people, I now flick my chest when I reach 10. If I say 11, 12, 13. They don't know about 40. But I have a maths class, and that maths class will be every last weekend of the month. And I personally will come and teach the youth, because those who look like me, I want them to aspire to be like me. I want to be in that room and say, youth, those who do more work in school, they do less work after school and get more pay for it. And those who do less work in school, do more work after school and get less pay. If you think a lie, look on a construction site. The man where have mixed the cement, him get $2,000. And the man where pint, yeah man, let him chew. I saw it come on. You see when knowledge start lick off cranium? Yeah. Look on a construction site. The man where mix get $2,000. And the man where pint get 2 million. But the man where mix, him the blase in a school. The man where mix, did a way up and a stay up. Him did a fling. Him did a shampoo. When he made never dirty. The girl where mix, she that have a boyfriend. She that paste down her head side till him peel out. But the one where pint is an architect. Why would you enjoy 13 to 18 and then suffer 18 to 80? Instead of focus from 13 to 18 and then enjoy 18 to 80. All people don't waste words, and they say heights of great men reached and then kept. They knew some would reach, but they would not keep. You have a man so bad they call him the president. His name was Dodos. Where is he now? He reached but did not keep. Zeeks reached but did not keep. Duppy Fim is dead. Sandokan is dead. Natty Morgan is dead. The last time me see some man who said they must scare my airport, they weren't going on a vacation. They were going to workhouse. So who no one tie them coat till them tie them boat? Who no one hold them own till them own them own? Who no one work? Understand that you may reach out of our pocket, but you will not keep. You get a 20 grand and you reach for a day, but you don't keep for a lifetime. Ask yourself, how old will your child be when 20 grand done? As versus how old will they be when degrees start make them make millions on top of millions, on top of millions. $5,000 for 5 years is $1,000 a year. A year of 12 months. That's $87 a month. A month of 30 days, that's $2.40 a day. A day of 24 hours, that is 10 cents an hour. They want to buy you for 10 cents an hour. And if you get 10 grand, it's 20 cents an hour. If you get 40 grand, it's 40 cents an hour. If you get 100 grand, it's less than $1 an hour. We ban cash for gold. Why they come with cash for soul?
You can't do that.
Them vex with me. They knew that my upbringing meant me couldn't be flower. Them know say my father name Crawford, that is a maroon name. They know me couldn't be flower. They know that how me look make me couldn't be flower. But they wish I'd have become ill and turned pound, but I did not turn. I come to tell you how I make it. I said there is a better way, that you deserve more. And I can tell you how I did it. I don't know about jokes. I can't tell you about jokes. I don't know about gang. I can't tell you about gang. I don't know about murder. I can't tell you about murder. I know about education and business. I know about ambition. And as they say, you will not make it if you don't have a dream and a drive. So if you run back at me, you must have a dream. And then you come link me at the office and make we develop a plan. And when we develop a plan and say, baby girl, you don't have no boyfriend now. I don't want to take advantage of you. I don't want to put in a van, carry you go someplace and make you do some nastiness with my wife now do. Give you 10 grand and make you come back say you're winning. I am saying, baby girl, since you're honey, take a box of bees and go start a local bees business so that you... I want to say, youth, you have land space. Take the half a black drum and put it in your backyard and raise some goldfish, raise some angel fish, raise some fighter fish, and make we export it to foreign. I want to say that I am going to go for hotels to be built. So therefore we are going to want plumber, we are going to want electrician, and it is better to be educated and unemployed than uneducated and unemployed, because when them ready for an electrician, you can't go train when them ready. So when I see Darren Vaz about up himself, you see Comrade Bloomfield, he was a good man, but he was a soft man. He not really fight no back. So them come and all have Christmas tree lighting, and him there as MP, and they make Anne-Marie the light tree. Christmas would have to postpone. May I tell you? Yeah. Comrades, the man, Comrade Bloomfield, he begged for a bridge of Prospect. They refused until him dead. The day after he died, they carried a bridge. He begged for water. We put a tank up at Norwich Housing Scheme from 2013. They refused to put water in it, then climb up on it and say it's them. But may I promise you something? What they did to Bloomfield, they cannot do to me. There's a school. I'm soon done, because right now I'm going to get money. I don't want to get too mad. There is a school called Port Antonio Primary School. It's a primary school, Dr. Phillips, and it's on shift. You hear me say? It means a 7-year-old have to get themselves ready at 12, or one of their parents have to not work. It means a 9-year-old leave at 11 and have to stay home by themselves for 7 or 8 hours. What kind of country is that? I go to that school in 16 days, not 16 years. And I said, how much classroom you need? She said she needs 6 dega classroom to come off a shift. I guarantee you that by September morning, some of the money when we could have used to put up boats, I am going to use to build 6 rooms. And that school will no longer. election is chalk versus cheese. Goat cheese. We are going to Brown Brook. Go find out what's going on there. Because a primary school cannot be a shift school. We said we have 5 high school. From 2:30 to 4:30, we will pay the teachers a little extra for keep homework classes. Because no picnic volunteer for take up book. So you have to have an environment for book. I did my research. There's a high school, Port Antonio High School. It's shift. So them can't get homework class. Because the next class have been in the room. Labor right lockdown fellowship, primary and junior high. Their teeth it closed. We are going to change that because of all the heroes. Only Nanny don't have a high school. You have George William Garden, but we are putting one side. You have a whole parliament. Nanny, I get disrespect. They must say, oh, woman thing and re. We are going to place fellowship, primary and junior high as Nanny High School and take Port Antonio off of shift. A beautiful mind versus a beautiful face. Nothing you don't need to do. The school that they empty, you know. Comrade Phillips. It have decks in there. It have chair. It have whiteboard. It empty. But it have computer lab. But they have no interest in the people to come up with a plan. And I see them and run back at them. Let me tell you something. God knows my conscience. God knows my intention. God knows what effort I will put in to prove it right. And I pray that God show it to me. I pray that God put it to me. Because with all them I do, them said JLP can keep last meeting Tuesday, but them no one ban we. With all what them I do, them come and I put mall on every road and I said them fix road. Let me tell you something. When I was MP in East Rural, when they never had a bridge for Kentire, as rain fall, people have to move out of Kentire. I built that bridge. When I was in East Rural, there's a place called Bayshore. Never get road in their history. 50 years, I give them road. When I was in East Rural, there was a place in Bull Bay that they JLP. What the man named their local government now? Because sometimes Desmond Mackenzie. He said it should be condemned. I give them bridge. I give them road. So if she's action on, I am action on. Foot, mouth, head, back, So listen. There is many asleep between the cup and the lip. We have this election in our hands. We have this transformation in our hands. We have this change of the nation in our hands. Because the example that I will set, that's why I tell them that Portland don't need me. I need Portland. Because Portland is a gem. And I'm a jeweler. A jeweler need a gem. A gem don't need a jeweler. They don't understand these things. But I need you over the next 4 days to go to everyone, to talk to who need talking to Because we see on tomorrow Monday, we have a right hand stick. We never watch racers, right hand stick. You see Tuesday, right hand stick. You see Wednesday, right hand stick. And you see Thursday, hard right, hard right, hard right, hard right. And with all the fight, them a fight. With all the war, them a war. I am a warrior, a justice warrior. We have a weapon, it's education. I am a warrior, a freedom warrior. We have with knowledge, we go a college. Warrior, 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 warrior. Look to the east for the coming of a king. Power to the people.
Stand up! Crawford!